Montour is running for justice in the Supreme Court, and as you know, there are not too many questions that can be asked of someone running for a judgeship. We ask you to make a
Thank you. First and foremost, I want to thank you all for coming here this evening. What it demonstrates is that you have a need for knowledge, a need to find out more about your candidates, a need to find out who will be hopefully representing you in the near future. You can pick up a piece of paper about me, my biography, if you like. You can find out that I've been a practicing attorney for over 30 years, excuse me. I am an acting Buffalo City Court judge. I'm an acting judge in the city of Batavia. I'm a town judge in the town of Lancaster for the past 7 years. You can read that I grew up in Tonawanda, that I went to Canisius College, that I went to UB Law School. Those are all facts and figures that you can pick up off a piece of paper. I don't think that's why you came here tonight. I think you came here to find out more about the person. And also let me demonstrate that a little bit about me, what I did, who I am. A person that was brought up to give back to his community. If there's a problem, to address that problem. I grew up, my father is a Native American. I'm one half Native American, and he indicated to me that it's give back to your people, do something important. And I try every day to give something back in that regard. In my community, what I did is there's a problem in Lancaster, there's a problem here in East Aurora, believe it or not. There's a problem in Marilla, there's a problem in the city of Buffalo, the town of Amherst, wherever it might be, all western New York. That problem is drugs, crime, that's committed by our youth. And what I did is I instituted a drug court in Lancaster to deal with those problems. What I have is 17-year-old, typical participant, 17 years old. He's addicted to pain pills, or he's addicted to heroin. He's out committing criminal acts. This program is designed to deal with that underlying abuse, which led to the criminal activity, by rehabilitating them, entering them into a rehabilitation program wherein those problems are addressed. And when after 8 months of clean time, what we'll do is we'll graduate them. They'll be drug-free. They'll be going back to school. They'll be employed. They'll be reunited with their families. You can just imagine, as a parent, your child, your son or daughter, has been addicted to heroin. What can you do? We address that problem too. We help the parents as well. So now we have a productive young man or woman. We have been reunited with their family. And it's been an extremely successful program in Lancaster. On Tuesday, we're graduating our 33rd participant. He's now employed. He's going part-time to school. He's been, again, reunited with his family. In addition, what we've done, 7 healthy babies have been born to drug-free mothers. I think it's something that's significant, something we're very proud of, something we've accomplished. And some people ask me, why? Why do you do this? I've gone to other courts, asked them. You know, we have room. We'll take on your problems too. You got problems in Marilla. We'll take them on. I talk to the judge. We get problems in all of it. I'll work with you. Send your case to me. And they go through and they ask, that sounds like a lot of work, Mark. You know, you're doing extra court sessions. You're doing extra time. It sounds like a lot of work. You must be getting paid extra for this, right? I don't get anything extra. I'm wondering, why do you do this? It's kind of unique. I didn't think anyone asked that question. I never thought of it. Why do I do this? I guess and my answer was, well, it's the right thing to do. You know, there's a problem. It needs to be addressed. And I think I have those qualities of being able to analyze a problem, create a solution, follow that solution through fruition. And what we've done is, again, we've graduated a number of people who, before when it came in, were strapped with significant problems. And as far as their criminal record, it's sort of they'd be reduced to a non-criminal event, ACD or disorderly conduct, so they're not going through life as an 18, 19-year-old making an application for a job or an application for school. And now they can check the box. Have you ever been convicted for a crime? The answer is no. So they're not straddled by that. So they're going forward. So I think it's something that in Lancaster that it's been very successful. And I think it demonstrates the quality of a person that you want as a judge. Thank you.
there any questions for our judicial candidate? Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for again.